Hi there, students. To backfire as a verb. I think you could probably just about have a noun of backfire as well. Well, we most commonly use to backfire talking about a plan or an action where the results of what you did are the exact opposite to the result you intended. Okay, so his plan backfired on him. Yeah, he planned to import expensive foreign cars, but it backfired when the price of fuel tripled. It really went up. She was trying to make him jealous. And this backfired because he started going out with another girl. Okay, so to backfire, to have the opposite result of what you intended. Okay, so if we attract a lot more visitors to this area, then it will be a lot more profitable for the local people. But maybe this plan could backfire and so many people come that it's not a very nice place to be anymore, and then the place becomes a lot less attractive. Okay, so to backfire, to come back on you. His plans backfired on him. Okay, it came back against him. A type of backlash or recoil. So yeah, the tactics of the party or the policy of the government could backfire and could lead to them not being elected. Okay, so the plan was to make them more popular, but it backfired. Okay, so if something backfires, it comes back and it gives you a misfortune. So our plan backfires. Let's see, to backfire, I think probably to me the basic meaning is when a car backfires, okay, or an engine backfires. It lets out a great big bang. But that's because the fuel has been ignited too soon, and it makes a banging sound. A gun or a cannon could backfire as well. So you fire the gun and the gases or pieces of the cartridge come shooting back at you. Yeah, that's pretty unfortunate as well. Okay, to backfire. I was actually looking and I saw one other meaning as well. In firefighting, we were fighting a fire, particular forest fire, and the fire is moving towards a place. Maybe you can backfire an area, burn an area from here towards the fire, and then the fire doesn't have anything to burn. But that plan can backfire if the bit that you set light to continues to burn in the direction you don't want it to burn. Okay, so to backfire a problem. Psychologically, there's actually something called the backfire effect. This is where somebody believes something strongly, and you give them evidence that contradicts what they believe. And often people reject the evidence and believe even more strongly. Okay, this is a very common thing. It's a bit like the boomerang effect, where if you try and to restrict somebody's freedom or tell them they can't do it, then they want it even more. Yeah, by telling people they can't do or they can't have something, the boomerang effect means that they want it even more. Okay, so to backfire, to recoil, to rebound on you, to miscalculate. Yeah, his plan backfired. his plan backfired on him. Yeah, it didn't do what he was hoping it to do. Okay, so to backfire. He had a plan to make more money, but it backfired because he spent a lot of money to implement his plan, and then the plan didn't work, so he ended up being even poorer than he was originally. To backfire. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To Backfire.